Welcome to Anna's Kids TV, a magical world filled with fun and excitement for children. In the lush forest, a little turtle takes its first step. Unlike the soaring birds or the swift squirrels, the turtle moves at its own pace, steady, patient. No matter how long the road, perseverance is the key to reaching the destination. A wide stream stretches ahead. Can the little turtle make it across, step by step, carefully placing its feet on each stone? No rushing, no fear, only patience will bring success. The summit is in sight. The journey has been long, but the challenge isn't over yet. Step by step, steady breaths of determination. Finally, the little turtle stands at the peak, proving that perseverance always leads to victory. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.